Can you name these common winter birds at the Salton Sea, California? Tell me in the comments how many you get right. Did you get it right? Pause the video if you need more time. Ready for the next one? After we identify a few more, I'll show you the habitat where these birds are found. We're at the halfway point of our quiz. The primary habitat surrounding the Salton Sea is salt desert shrubland. This habitat is scattered around the west from Oregon to New Mexico. Other habitats here are croplands and freshwater wetlands. Now let's get back to it. Click on this video for a bird quiz to Crater Lake, Oregon.